In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this integration. The integration of tangent raised to the fifth x times secant raised to the 7x dx. What do you think is the first step in solving this problem? The first step is you're going to expand. You're going to expand the tangent raised to the fifth. If you see something that has an odd exponent, you rather expand it to with an even exponent. Expand it to tangent raised to the fourth times tangent raised to the first. And this portion, we also must expand it. Secant raised to the 6 times secant raised to the first. Then after that, the second step is, if there's an even exponent up there, you're going to expand it using the parentheses. Expand it to by raising it to second power, tangent raised to the second power x, tapos with a parenthesis, and raise it to second power, and copy this, arrange it, let the tangent placed at the extreme right, get the tangent squared x equivalent in trigonometric identity, which is, I will show you here in the book. Instead of using a theta, we are going to use x. Secant x, I forgot the x. Sorry about that. And then get the u. We're going to sign the secant as the u variable. Let u be the secant x. Get its derivative. The derivative of secant x will be secant x tangent x. You can see here the equivalent. Secant u, they just used the u variable here instead of x, but it functions the same way. We are using the x here. Get the dx equivalent. That would be du over secant x tangent x. It was cancelled because of we are going to assume that it is already substituted here, so that's why it cancels out. And the next step would be, place the u here in place of the secant, u raised to the second power minus 1 with the same format, and then replace this secant using u, and then substitute that, multiply that, raised to the second power, it will become u raised to the fourth, and then make this u raised to the fourth minus 1, make it 2 times, and then use the FOIL method or the smiling man method. If you use the smiling man method, this will be the result. By using the smiling man method, bring this down, the u raised to the 6th power. After that, this will be the result. u raised to 4th power minus 2 u raised to the 2nd power plus 1. Bring down the u raised to the 6. Distribute it, and after distributing that, get the integration or integrate it one by one. After integrating that, this will be the result. U raised to the 11th over 11. U raised to the 9th, because that's an 8. 8 plus 1, that would be 9. And then put that 9 to the denominator. And so on and so forth. Plus C. Don't forget to put the plus C. And the final step would be replace the U by replacing U using the secant. That would be our final answer would be secant raised to the 11th x over 11 minus 2 secant raised to the 9th x over 9 plus secant raised to the 7th x over 7 plus c. I hope this makes sense, and then thanks for watching.